When we delve into the medical aspect of space travel, medical considerations take center stage. One mission that stands out in history is the Apollo 11 mission, a pinnacle achievement for mankind. Many remember it as the mission that successfully landed humans on the moon, led by the iconic Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. However, there's a lesser-known astronaut from that mission, Michael Collins, whose crucial role often goes unnoticed. In this video, we'll explore the revelations Michael Collins shared about the mysterious encounters during the Apollo 11 mission. Michael Collins, though not as celebrated as Armstrong and Aldrin, played a vital role in the mission's success. In this video, we'll unravel the spooky secrets encountered on their journey to the moon, shared by Collins himself. Why is he coming forward now to discuss these unearthly experiences? Join us as we uncover the mysteries of the Apollo 11 mission. Everyone recalls Neil Armstrong's historic words as he stepped onto the lunar surface. "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." In this video, we'll not only revisit this iconic moment but also delve into the lesser-known aspects of the mission. Let's explore the compelling details of the Apollo 11 mission and the eerie revelations made by astronaut Michael Collins. Before we continue, let's understand the historical context that led to the Apollo 11 mission. The Apollo program, initiated in 1961 during the Cold War rivalry between the United States and the USSR, aimed to send humans to the moon. This ambitious program faced numerous challenges, including extensive testing and development stages. The historic Apollo 11 mission finally took off on July 16, 1969, marking a significant moment in human space exploration. The crew, consisting of Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, embarked on this unprecedented journey. While Armstrong and Aldrin explored the lunar surface, Collins played a crucial role in orbiting the moon in the command module. Let's dive into the intricate details of Michael Collins' contributions to the mission and the challenges he faced. Before the Apollo 11 mission, unmanned probes provided valuable information about the moon's conditions and geology. The desire to send humans to the moon intensified during the space race, fueled by national pride and technological competition. In 1969, the United States launched the Apollo mission, a significant undertaking requiring extensive funding and development. The Apollo program involved various stages of testing, including suborbital and orbital flights, lunar orbiting, and landing simulations. The culmination of these efforts was the Apollo 11 mission, setting out to achieve the historic goal of landing humans on the moon and safely returning them to Earth. On July 20, 1969, the world watched as Armstrong and Aldrin descended to the moon's surface, while Collins remained in the command module. The successful execution of the mission marked a monumental achievement, representing the audacity and will of the human race. Michael Collins, despite his relative obscurity, had a distinguished career as a test pilot and astronaut. Born in Rome, Italy, Collins developed an interest in aviation and astronomy during his early years. His journey led him to become a fighter pilot, and in 1963, NASA selected him as one of the astronauts for the Gemini and Apollo programs. Collins' role as the command module pilot was integral to the mission's success. While Armstrong and Aldrin explored the moon's surface, Collins piloted the command module, overseeing crucial tasks such as docking procedures. His responsibilities extended to ensuring the spacecraft's systems, including life support and communication, functioned optimally. On July 24, 1969, the crew returned to Earth, receiving a hero's welcome for their groundbreaking achievement. Despite the challenges and the overshadowing of Collins' role, his contributions were fundamental to the success of the Apollo 11 mission. Michael Collins' unique position as the command module pilot meant he experienced a period of isolation in lunar orbit. While Armstrong and Aldrin explored the moon's surface, Collins focused on critical tasks, maintaining communication and preparing for rendezvous and docking procedures. This period of alone time for Collins, often misconstrued as a time of deep isolation, was, in fact, a period of intense focus and responsibility. Let's delve into the details of Collins' vital role during this alone time and the impact it had on him psychologically. Collins, having graduated from the military academy and excelling as a test pilot, entered NASA's astronaut program in 1963. His technical skills and precision made him the ideal candidate for the Apollo 11 mission. Originally slated for the Apollo 8 mission, Collins underwent surgery and was later reassigned to the historic Apollo 11 mission. As the command module pilot, Collins was responsible for guiding and maintaining the command module Columbia, serving as the mission's mothership. His duties extended beyond mechanical tasks to include communication with mission control and managing critical rendezvous and docking procedures. The complexity of the docking procedure required Collins to execute precise maneuvers, ensuring the lunar module detached successfully. A miscalculation at this stage could have jeopardized the entire mission, highlighting the critical nature of Collins' role. The rendezvous and docking procedures were among the mission's most challenging aspects, requiring Collins' meticulous calculations and execution. 555. His attention to detail ensured the safety of his crew members and the overall success of the Apollo 11 mission. Collins' role extended to the maintenance of the command module, the crew's only transportation back to Earth. Ensuring optimal functioning of systems, including life support and communication, was crucial for a safe return. Despite being perceived as playing a background role, Collins' contributions were indispensable to the mission's flawless execution. Collins' unique position as the loneliest man during the mission's lunar orbit provided him with a perspective few could comprehend. In this video, we'll explore Collins' experiences during this period of solitude and how it shaped his views on space and Earth. The alone time on the spaceship was not a moment of idleness for Collins, but a time of intense focus on mission-critical tasks. His unwavering dedication ensured smooth communication between the crew and mission control. Collins' role as the intermediary for lunar observations and photograph transmissions showcased his pivotal role in the mission's success. Collins' contributions went beyond mechanical tasks,